Course materials can encompass anything from lessons and presentations to assignments and exams. Each course may be organized differently, so the course materials might be listed in materials or organized into folders. To access your course materials, click Courses at the top of the Schoology page. Once you open up your course, in the Materials area, you will most likely see folders. Folders organize course materials, and they're distinguished by the folder icon next to their name. Inside of a folder, you will find an assortment of course materials, such as assignments, tests, quizzes, assessments, files, links, discussions, media albums, and pages. The Updates area of the course profile is used by your teacher to create announcements and brief messages for the course. Updates will appear in the Updates section of your course, as well as on your homepage. You and your classmates may comment on each update. In some courses, your instructors may also allow you to post updates. If you are unable to see updates in your course, please reach out to your teacher. Assignments are graded items. Each assignment may require you to make a submission. Once you've made a submission, the instructor can grade the assignment, provide feedback, and upload a file back to you. To submit a file to an assignment, follow these steps. 1. In the assignment, click Submit Assignment. 2. Use the Add a Comment area for questions and concerns. 3. Select one of these options. Upload, select a file from your computer. Create a document on the web using the text editor. Resources, select a file from your resources, which could be a Google Doc if you've linked your account. Finally, click Submit to finish. Assignments can also be given a due date, which will automatically display the assignment in your personal calendar and upcoming area on your homepage. Assignments also might not be graded, depending on the settings by your teacher. The test quizzes material is one type of online assessment for courses. These test quizzes can have an assortment of the following question types: true, false, multiple choice, ordering, short answer, essay questions, fill in the blank, and matching. Test quizzes can remain open for a maximum of 6 hours before these sessions expire. Please make sure that you exit the test or the quiz and resume it at a later time if the test will take longer than 6 hours to complete. After you submit a test or a quiz, your grades may appear in the Grades area. Tests and quizzes may be timed or may allow multiple submissions. Each test or quiz will vary depending on the teacher and the course. To take a test or a quiz, click on the name of the test or the quiz. Click Start New Attempt. Answer the questions appropriately. Click Submit when you are ready to submit the test or the quiz to your teacher. For some tests or quizzes, your teacher may allow you to view your past submissions. If this is the case, when you enter the test or the quiz, you will see an additional tab entitled My Submissions. This tab will show you a list of all your submissions with links on the right to view the assessment. Assessments are another type of online assessment in courses similar to test and quizzes. However, assessments have more options in terms of the types of questions that can be asked. To take an assessment, click on the name of the assessment. Click Start Attempt. Answer the questions appropriately. Click Review to review your answers. Click Finish when you have completed reviewing your answers. Click Yes to submit your assessment attempt. Click No if you need to continue the review of your attempt. After you submit an assessment, your grade may appear in the Grades area. Assessments may be timed or may allow multiple submissions. Each assessment will vary depending on your teacher and the course. Files that have been added to your course can appear inside of folders or in the Files Links area of the Materials Index. Typical file types can be viewed in your browser without having to download the file. These include Word documents, Excel documents, PowerPoint, and PDF. Discussions are interactive conversations that allow participation between you, your classmates, and your teacher. Each discussion has threaded commenting, allowing you to respond to any post by another student. For some courses, teachers may choose to moderate the discussion posts. Moderation requires a course teacher to approve each post before it is published. When this feature is turned on, your posts will not be immediately visible to other students. Media albums can contain photos, videos, and/or audio files. With your teacher's permission, you may comment on each item within an album or even upload your own files. Your teacher can also tag you and your classmates in specific photos. Tag photos of you will also appear on your profile page. Pages are resources created by your teacher to supplement the course. These pages are highly versatile, allowing for the inclusion of text, images, outside links, and even video information.